Okay, so this is the General Electric Zone Line PTHP package terminal heat pump. Yeah, it's a heat pump because of the reversing valve, and it's blowing cold, I can tell you that. And it has a rotary compressor, and yeah, so if you shut it off, you can hear the reversing valve switch. You can hear the reversing valve whoosh, you know, and etc. So yeah, it's blowing cold and it's running. You can hear the compressor. It's a rotary compressor, and yeah, blowing cold. About 30 degrees.
How are the buttons?
Well, all the buttons, power, unknown second button.
That's for the standby, I believe.
Standby.
On and off for the standby or the sleep.
See, and there's the mode, fan speed high, and low.
No, it's high now. You put it on auto.
It's high, auto, and low. And you can hear the condenser fan from that side. And if you shut this off, you can hear the reversing valve whoosh. You can hear the reversing valve whoosh. And it's blowing warm now. So we have to wait for the compressor to kick on. It has a 3-minute delay. And overall, it's a great unit. And this is for, yeah, so I don't know how many BTUs, probably 9,000 BTUs. And this is for the YouTube channel called Pet 3 the Blockhead's Hamster. So if you want to check this out, let me know in the comment section how many BTUs this is. And it's a heat pump, so it'll both do heating and cooling of this room. So, you know, just gotta wait for the compressor to kick on, and we'll let it go. We'll let it run. So, all right, and I'm gonna show you the Galanz mini fridge here.
No, Galanz.
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 This is the inside. Freezer compartment is there. And it's a 1.8, I believe, cubic feet.
Let me see, please.
Should start up.
And a fireplace.
And a fireplace as well. So yeah. Oh yeah. Should start up any second. It has a reciprocating compressor there. I believe it's a 1.8 cubic feet. I don't know what year it is from. And yeah, it's a Galanz. So yeah. And this is the fireplace or fan heater, by the way. There's the controls. Comes on for heating. Blowing hot air. So yeah, let's shut this off. Yeah, now it's blowing hot. Off. I mean, that's high.
That's off now. It's cooling down. It's in cool mode.
Oh, it's in cool.
So it's off now.
Down.
All right, YouTube.
All right.
There goes Adi with his Galanz micro fridge
Micro fridge is
and
1.8
his
cubic
G
feet.
1.8 cubic feet and his GE.
The compressor just kicked on.
If Adi made an error, you know, drop it down at the comment section and let him know what was his error, if any.
If any.
But that's the review, guys. We
Review
check
of
you
the
out.
Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.